Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with another try-on haul featuring HALARA. So big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video to share with you probably my best haul yet. You guys, there's no better season than athletic dress wearing season, and I'm here for it. I live in these things. First one, I have to show you this, but I live in these dresses all summer long, especially when I lived in Texas, and we're moving back to Texas where it is so god-awful hot you don't want to wear anything, and if you have something on your body, you need it to A, get rid of sweat really fast, B, be barely there but also like make it look like clothes, and C, look cute, right? You want to do all that with cute. Athletic dress is the way to go. And HALARA, just when I thought, like when I fell in love with them, like, I don't know, 2+ years ago probably. 3 years since I've been with HALARA, 4 years. It's been a long time since when I started working with HALARA, and their activewear dresses, you guys, are the best of the best, and they keep getting better. I swear, if you are somebody who has never tried out HALARA, now I don't know how they could possibly make them better, but they're truly so good, and I want to share with you some of the details. But first, I did get a coupon code, so let's put that on the screen here for you guys so you can check out all the details. I'll have the exact products that I mentioned, my sizing, all of that in the description box down below, and that coupon code so you can take advantage of that on your order. So let's dive in, because you guys, are you looking at this yellow dress? I mean, everyone's obsessed with butter yellow right now, but this butter yellow is like bright butter yellow, but not neon. It's everything, and this style is my favorite style of all time. I love the round scoop neck, so flattering. Love the crisscross back, the best. They even added a little logo on the butt, which I really think is quite cute. It's kind of off to the left, and in silver, I like that touch. They never had one before, so I don't know if it's a new thing that they're rolling out with their dresses, but I love. And this is the one with the butt, the pull butt. Okay, these dresses can be worn so many. My favorite way to wear these dresses is walking, running errands, all that. You can play pickleball in these dresses. You can do just about anything in these dresses. They're amazing. The best thing about this one though, like I said, it's got that pull butt. So it has, let me show you, I'm wearing it obvi, so let me show you the inside of one that's also like that. So it has a little pull butt, but it has this like liner inside, so you don't actually have to wear underwear if you don't want to, which is good because it's kind of hard to take down your underwear and all of it all in one. But this dress it makes everything easy, because I know I used to love traveling in these, and I would just have to be like, okay, I'm gonna, you know, get completely naked to pee, but you don't have to do that anymore. I'm telling you, they're amazing. And this dress, the length, everything about it, the color, the length, but they have a color for everyone on their site, and I'm just so passionate about them. You guys, I'm so passionate about them, okay? They have a full-time hanging position in my closet. They don't just like get stuffed into a drawer, they hang in my closet because I'm that obsessed with them. So HALARA's activewear dresses are my favorite, and this is my #1 style of dress by far. I love the simplicity of it, but if you're a girl who likes different shapes and twists and all that good stuff on your back, then they've got you covered on this. This is my favorite color. I own this color of dress in multiple different shapes and styles. I love it. Again, this one has the pull butt as well. I call it the butt flap. It's got that with the lined crotch, and it has this beautiful, like kind of like low back detail right here with this twisted knot, and then an upper little clasp at the top. All of them come with removable cup pads. I typically tend to remove them because I just like how it looks without them, but they are lined very well, so you don't, I mean, you can see, but it's not like in your face. It's never sheer, was what I mean. But again, I just think this color is stunning, and I personally think everyone looks good in this like really purple blue. So love this, love the style of this. I don't actually own this style in this color, so now I do. Some people would call me a hoarder, and for this I agree with them. Let's move on to my second favorite style of all time that they do. This will not come as no surprise with you, and I was surprised I didn't actually own this color. I had to look at my collection before placing the order. This is like their golf tennis dress. Okay, you do have to wear some sort of support underneath because there's no built-in like there is with every other one of HALARA's dresses, but that doesn't bother me, and I got the cutest little bra that I'm going to show you in a second. But I love this style. I love a high neck sort of coverage look. contrary to belief being saying this is my favorite, I do really love like a high neck. I think it's gorgeous, and I love that the zipper detailing on the dress is always different colors than the actual dress. It just stands out, and it like the way it shapes you is stunning. And then for this, it actually just comes with separate shorts, so you can omit them altogether. It's not too short. Like if you want to wear this like out and about and you don't want to wear shorts, okay, but I've never not. I love these for the summertime. Whether you're being athletic or if you just want to look put together and cute, this is it. It's so good. I own it in black, white, pink, red, every color you name it, I have it, except for that color. So happy I do. This is a little bra that I bought to go under some of the next pieces that I'm about to show you, and I'm so excited I grabbed this. I don't own like a little cute white sports bra that has a fun strappy back, and when I saw these other pieces, this was really giving Free People to me. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's inside out. I'm like, what's going on? It was giving Free People to me in the best way possible, so I loved this. Very comfortable. I did size up to a medium in this. I don't like my sports bras to be like tight and like super compressive, especially when I'm not like working out in these. These are more like athleisure for me. So loved the strappy back detail, and in the white, this is how I envision this. Again, speaking of Free People, this looks like a Free People jumpsuit that would cost way too much money, but this, I need this in every color. If you're a mom, if you're just a comfy girl who likes to like, I don't know, just be comfortable but cute and funky, I love this. I don't know why this is giving like what my art teacher would have worn when I was in like middle school, high school, but this is such a fun color too. I love this like dusty rose. I want it in so many different colors. If they have this in yellow, I'd buy it. Love the big pocket details in the front and in the back. It's kind of got that like barrel like look to it, barrel jean look to it, which I just bought a pair and love. I loved this with the little white top underneath it. I debated whether I was gonna put this on and wear it for the rest of the day or this on and wear it for the rest of the day, but this color made me too happy. But this is just the stretchiest, and that didn't demonstrate what I wanted it to. The stretchiest, like flowiest, lightweight, and it feels cold. I don't know how to explain that material. Do you know the material that like just feels colder because it's like athletic-y? Everything. So I got that white little top to wear underneath that, but you could also wear like a tank top or any sports bra you wanted. Next, this I thought would be really fun for a hike. We went on a hike probably like 2 weekends ago, and I thought this, I wish I had had this back then. This little dress comes with shorts underneath with pockets on the sides, and I think it's kind of fun because it's kind of flowy and breezy. Again, I paired that white tank or white little sports bra. So we went on a hike the other weekend, and I thought this would be perfect. It's like, think if you're just wearing like shorts and a sports bra, but this is like a shell that goes over it, which is kind of cute. It's so lightweight and fleshy. Like this could get wet and dry really easy. And I love the pocket details on it, like this super cute little zipper detail where you can put like your key or something that you don't want to lose. And then it has like a, almost like a sweatshirt pocket in the front as well. It's got these super cute little cinches where you can cinch it in, the strings on the side, or you can leave it loose and flowy. Love the back low detail where you can see that white tank, really cute. I think this is just like a really fun piece that I didn't know that I was missing for my wardrobe. No, just like a really cool, fun way to kind of be a little bit more covered, but actually in reality you're not, like you're just wearing like a sports bra and a tank, or something to throw on over the top of a sports bra and a tank if you're going out somewhere after like a hike or something like that. And then last but not least is the most beautiful little salmon kind of corally color. I love this. This is got a couple of cool details to it. So it's got these double straps, which I always think is a fun little touch. It does have a built-in sports bra. It has attachable shorts, so they're unattached, you put them on. Detached shorts, that's what I meant. And then it has this super cute, again, like a twist back. So it's kind of similar to as if this style and the blue one had, the bright blue one had a baby, like with the twist back. But again, these are just really nice if you don't want the butt pull out. These are nice for those activities that you're running around all day and you're gonna have to use the restroom, okay? So you don't have to worry about it with HALARA. They've either given you shorts or they've given you the butt flap now, and I cannot be more happy because those are the two things that I think anybody, when they've had hesitation at getting an athletic dress, is like, okay, but how am I gonna pee? Because it's the same thing when I wear a romper out and about, but HALARA's got you covered. So if you've not checked them out, what are you doing? Second of all, you need this yellow dress. Everyone needs this. It's the most beautiful yellow dress ever, and it's the most flattering thing I've ever put on my body. So again, big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video to share with you some of my favorite dresses. I'm so happy I got a good stock up before we move back to Texas. And if you are following my like outfit videos and stuff like that, be prepared to see a lot of these styled different ways, because I do think they are so versatile but so easy. And they're pretty much like just the best dress you could wear in the summertime, I swear. So again, if you haven't picked out anything, check out the details in the description box. It'll have all the dresses and sizes that I mentioned, as well as that coupon code. So happy shopping, and check out HALARA for literally the best athletic dresses to ever be created. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next vid very, very soon.